Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the Retevis MateTalk C3 professional walkie talkies. Let's open up the box and see how they work. Here's some instructions. An antenna on this one, USB-C cable, and a strap, clip. Here's the charging base. And then there's some more accessories like the headset, put in your ear, another connector cable, and a USB power brick. And then here's the walkie-talkie itself. And so yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. Whether you're managing a hotel, coordinating retail staff, or just need a reliable, long-range communication, then this compact powerhouse might be exactly what you're looking for. First off, the MateTalk C3 isn't just a walkie-talkie, it's a full-on communication system. You get 30 GMRS channels, plus 8 group channels, helping to give you more flexibility for both private and team-wide communication. The 1.77-inch color screen is also a game changer. It's bright, easy to read, and supports text messaging and job ticketing, which means you can send work orders or alerts without interrupting voice channels right from the device itself. The 2,200 milliamp battery offers a solid runtime that can last up to 17 hours when in full use and over 100 hours when in standby, making sure you don't have to worry about the battery when on a long shift. And it can also be easily charged back up with any USB-C cable. And while the devices are not waterproof, the build still feels rugged enough for indoor and light outdoor use. In terms of range, the MateTalk C3 uses GMRS frequencies, which means you can expect long-distance performance, especially in open areas or with a repeater setup.
And so yeah, this is what the radio sounds like on the other side. Very clear and high quality.
That means you can expect clear communication over a long distance or on multiple levels of floors, depending on terrain and interference. The group call and all call functions are perfect for coordinating teams in a fast-paced environment like film productions, music venues, or in warehouses. And the work order system adds a layer of task management that's rare in most radios at this price point. So if you are someone that is coordinating a large group of people in any kind of situation, then the MateTalk C3 is built for you. The job ticketing system lets supervisors assign tasks and tracks completion without needing a separate app or clipboard. It's also great for security teams, maintenance crews, large family gatherings, or any place where staying connected matters. Its setup is also straightforward, with an easy-to-use interface that even staff who aren't tech-savvy can use. Plus, it has the ability to send quick SMS text alerts to help keep operations smooth and professional. So for under $50, you're getting a feature-rich GMRS radio, all in a compact and lightweight design. It's not waterproof, and it's not built for extreme outdoor use, but it is good for structured environments and team coordination. So it's definitely a smart investment. And so if you're looking to upgrade your communication, then definitely check out the Retevis MateTalk C3 walkie-talkies today. And you can take a look in the link below. See you.